Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial showing users how to build a spreadsheet using a Java XL API library. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of building a budget in an Excel XLSX file entirely with Java code and no requirement for Microsoft Excel. To get started, we'll create a new Java project. We're using Eclipse, but you can use your preferred IDE. While creating the project, include the Java XL API library and its dependencies. In this example, we will use Document Solutions for Excel, or DSXL for short. With your project set up, add the needed API namespaces in the main.java file and initialize the Java XL workbook using the DSXL API's workbook class. Next, we'll create our budget tables. Start by defining the data arrays representing income and expenses. Then assign them to specific ranges within the Java XL worksheet using the setValue method of the iRange interface. Then we will apply titles to the data by merging cells and setting text to the cells using the setValue method. Using the iTable interface, we'll define our income and expense data as tables in the worksheet, apply built-in styles with the setTableStyle method, and customize table names for clarity with the setName method. This is how the data is now represented in tables within the Java XL worksheet. To make our budget dynamic, we'll define named ranges for the total income and expenses. These named ranges simplify applying formulas, like calculating the percentage of income spent or determining the remaining balance. To enhance readability, we'll set standard heights and widths for our rows and columns. Customizing the appearance of your Excel file is straightforward with DSXL. We'll apply predefined styles to different sections of our sheet, ensuring a polished and professional look. For this example, we will customize the currency, percentage, and heading 1 style. Conditional formatting adds a layer of insight to your data. In this example, we'll create a data bar rule that visually represents the percentage of income spent. Finally, we'll save our Excel file from the Java application using the Java XL API's save method. And just like that, our budget spreadsheet is complete and ready to use. This tutorial only scratches the surface of what you can achieve with the Java XL API library, Document Solutions for Excel, Java. For more features and examples, visit developer.meshius.com/document-solutions/java-xl-API.